induction cooking technology. With induction, you get faster, more responsive heating, more energy-efficient cooking, and easier cleanup. Induction cooking is powerful and efficient. It uses powerful electromagnets to create heat directly in metal-based pots or pans. Once the pan is placed on the cooktop and the element is turned on, the magnetic sensors detect the cookware and generate the heat in the cookware, not on the cooktop. Only the pan gets hot. There are many advantages to induction cooking. With up to 5 powerful and efficient induction elements, the induction cooktop offers superior cooking flexibility. It boils water quickly and is more responsive than gas or electric, so you can easily go from simmer to boil. Plus, it offers exceptional temperature control that is perfect for cooking at high heats, as well as for delicate sauces and melting chocolate. And since the heat is generated only in the pot or pan, induction surfaces stay much cooler to the touch. Also, induction elements are compatible with most stainless steel and cast iron cookware. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of a pot or pan, it's induction friendly.